Robots are taking over Newport News Public Schools. Don't worry, this isn't a hostile takeover as many sci-fi films portray, but rather a peaceful cohesion of state-of-the-art technology with classroom instruction to enhance student learning across the school system. The program is called Learning Alongside Robots, increasing student achievement in mathematics and science. Careers in science, technology, engineering, and math continue to be in high demand. Offering our young students high-quality STEM instruction in elementary and middle school will only enhance their job readiness skills as they graduate beyond the classroom walls. This is just one of the goals of Learning Alongside Robots, which allows more students to gain hands-on access to robots in Newport News Public Schools than ever before. With grant money from Dominion Education, the pilot program kicked off in 2015, allowing 369 students in 10 schools to work with LEGO Mindstorms robots. And recently, financial support from Northrop Grumman corporate contributions allowed the purchase of Parrot airborne cargo mini drones, Ozobots, B-Bots, additional LEGO robotic kits, and iPads for programming and interaction. The goal is to put robots in the hands of 700 to 900 students this school year alone. With this fleet of robots and drones, the instructional STEM team works closely with classroom teachers and instructional technology coaches at schools across the city. The process starts with training school-based educators how to operate, troubleshoot, and create fun experiences using these cutting-edge instructional tools. During these training sessions, the STEM team offers tips and creative ideas for using the robot's functions and abilities to enhance classroom learning and tie in directly with the SOL-based curriculum. Once the training is complete, teachers and staff utilize the robots in classrooms to reinforce a range of instructional skills. LEGO Mindstorms allow students to map the perimeter or area of different shapes. Ozobots are a great visual tool for learning repeating patterns as a form of coding. And B-Bots help younger students learn the basics of coding while building critical thinking and problem-solving skills. And as teachers become more proficient operating these devices, they are able to use them with after-school clubs and more in-depth lessons. No matter which robot our students are learning, they're guaranteed to enjoy the hands-on experience while learning creatively through innovation and self-direction, using this quality STEM instruction to become college, career, and citizen ready.
Middle school students in Newport News Public Schools faced their first engineering design challenge of the school year at Crittenton Middle School. Recycling and environmental responsibility were highlighted as students used all of their STEM skills to tackle the Green Machine Challenge. All 8 middle schools were invited to send 2 4-person teams representing their 6th and 7th grades. After a quick research period, the budding mechanical engineers received their challenge to build a system that precisely separates different materials for recycling, while ending up with zero waste at the end. By teaming up with Canon Virginia, a company committed to environmental stewardship, the challenge closely mimicked Canon's state-of-the-art recycling plant in Gloucester, Virginia. Several Canon engineers were on hand to lend their expert advice and assist the students as they grew in their understanding of the scientific knowledge needed to complete the challenge. The teams worked quickly and efficiently to create their custom systems, using a variety of liquid tanks and magnets to accurately separate the materials based on their unique mass, volume, magnetism, and density. Canon's volunteers spent time with each student team, judging its innovative designs, the final output of its systems, and the students' ability to grasp the relative concepts. Passage's 6th grade team and the 7th grade team from Dozier earned first place. Rodney Culverhouse, secondary science supervisor, organized a special prize for the winning teams. The students enjoyed an exciting excursion to the Canon Environmental Technologies Incorporated recycling plant to witness firsthand the inspiration for the Green Machine Challenge. By presenting our students with rigorous real-world experiences, our students have the opportunity to rise above the competition and realize their full potential.
Newport News Shipbuilding's Career Pathways program hosted a special screening of the Oscar-nominated film Hidden Figures for some very important guests from Newport News Public Schools. 86 young ladies from Crittenden and Washington Middle Schools and Heritage High School were treated to a day at the movies to watch the inspiring tale of lady engineers and mathematicians who cross gender and race lines to find success among the stars. Middle school mentees involved with Girls with Engineering Minds in Shipbuilding, or GEMS, from Crittenden and Washington, were joined by students from Heritage's Governor's STEM Academy. Newport News Shipbuilding graciously rented an entire theater at AMC 24, with Career Pathways' Chantel Foster organizing the educational outing. 26 GEMS mentors, all shipbuilders, engineers, and scientists with Huntington Ingalls, enthusiastically greeted the students as they arrived. Among them was GEMS founder and sponsor Jennifer Boykin, Vice President of Engineering, and one shipbuilder who had very close ties to the real-life events of the movie. Melissa Vaughn, a nuclear quality inspector, is the granddaughter of Dorothy Vaughn, the NASA mathematician depicted by actress Octavia Spencer. For the students, the entire movie-going experience was free, including popcorn and drinks. And the movie couldn't have come at a better time to help these STEM-focused students and future engineers see what real women are capable of through hard work, unwavering determination, and using their brains to succeed. And while the film is receiving much recognition during the Hollywood Awards season, the true story will continue to inspire future generations of women leaders.